Amory Lovins. Who knows who Amory Lovins is? Nobody. Amory Lovins is an unusual character. He's something of polymath, just to say he sort of soaks up knowledge across a wide range of fields. He's not an academic. He has a consulting company which he runs off until he recently out of his home in Colorado. He lives outside Snowmass in a house built into the side of a mountain that has no furnace. For about 30 years, he has been kind of iconic plastic oddball genius, thinking of ways to save energy, thinking of ways to solve problems using technology that already exist. And he has demonstrated several of them. He also offers is something that he's such an oddball that people tend to think he's kind of crazy. Anyway, Elizabeth Colbert went and spent some time with Amory Lovins, and so he's written this piece called Mr. Green.